Hi everybody, Leanne DZ here. I just wanted to show you when I'm guiding a sound soul journey, I work from the center of the room and I have 22 zero gravity chairs in a circle. I have my Pythagorean monochord over here and a moon and Venus planet gong. And then I have many of my Tibetan singing bowls and some beautiful bowls made from the Meinl company out of Germany. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of the sounds here. I also have my wah-wah pipes from Germany, and by Klang Art I have an A wah-wah pipe and a C. In the system I work with, the A is all about clearing. And so the first part of my sound journeys are all about clearing, purifying, emptying to be filled. So I play specific instruments during the course of the journey, which is about 50 minutes. And the bowls very much lend itself to the background of the harmonic healing. My tubular chimes very much play a major role in my journeys. So if you just think about a bell curve or climbing a mountain and coming back down the other side, the first part of the sound soul journey is clearing and emptying out. But you have to be centered, grounded, aligned, and attuned prior to beginning. So we set the field, we do an invocation of the higher energies, and then off we go. So I just want to show you a few of the instruments. These bowls are extraordinary. Sometimes I'll go right to these beautiful little bowls from Meinl, M-E-I-N-L. But then my friend Tibetan in Minneapolis, in Minnesota, in Linden Hills, Minnesota, at the heart of Tibet, he sells extraordinary bowls. And here are a few of them. My heart bowl. So I start low and I go into a spiral on the table and it gradually gets higher. I love my wah-wah pipe, W-A-H. So I can walk around in the group and weave the symbol of the limnoscate, which is the very powerful healing symbol, vertically and horizontally, usually vertically along the vertical axis of each individual, guiding them to clear, cleanse, and purify. As we are working on the first half of the journey and again clearing, the C is the sacral center, or the second chakra in the system I work with. So the system I work with is the Pythagorean Taoist system. It's different from the Hindu system. the way the keynotes are for the chakras. So as I've shared on other videos, the chakra system for me is FCGDAEB. One of my absolute favorite harmonics is the D and the A. It's the divine audible ratio. It's quite profound and it's hard to put words to that, but that divine audible ratio, the D and A, heart, throat, as the heart is the bridge between our lower chakras and our higher, or our lower nature, physical, emotional, mental, and our higher nature and our higher senses, and our intuitive and soulful essence of being. The D and the A, just be with it for a little bit here. I can't forget my Tibetan bell. It's magical too. Then I can sing it. Believe me, it breaks up illusion. It works up in the higher centers, the head centers. It's beautiful. Oh, peace, love, light. See you next time.